Hey everyone, Anthony Monteith here from the Chi Life Academy. So I wanted to share with you some pressure points which can help with tiredness around the eyes. I myself have been suffering with some challenges with my eyes recently, but we can utilize natural pressure points, natural techniques to help rejuvenate, strengthen, improve function, move the chi. So one of the key points is located where your eyebrow meets your nose, in here. And you can use middle finger, first finger or thumb. And what I like to do is I like to press for a period of 4 seconds, and then I like to do a circular rub. Really good. And then if you find the crest of your eyebrow, so if you have an eyebrow, find the crest of that, come up till you find a little dint or a little dudge in your head where there's a space there for you to fit your fingers in. And again, pressing. Count to 4. And then little circular rubs just so you don't get bruised, okay? Then here at the side of the eye, I like to do what I call the salt and pepper shaker, which is, if you listen to the sound, well, I don't have much hair, but it's the salt and pepper shaking sound. Just to help move any stagnant energy that feeds into the eye from what we call the Shaoyang gallbladder channel. And then underneath the eye, come into the corner, be careful, make sure your fingernails are clean. And coming in and pressing against the nose, and then coming in. And then if you're very brave, you can close your eyes. Take one finger very gently, either side, and gently nudge your eyeball, being careful. Make sure you're looking forward underneath your eyelid. Gently nudging your eye. Full disclaimer, don't do this if you're wearing contacts, okay? Don't do this if the eyes are very irritated. It's been a long day for me in the clinic. I've been here about 14 hours, so good to do this before I drive home. And then if you wish, very good to massage the eyeballs through the eyelid. Circular movements, very gentle. And then I like to wipe underneath the eyes and remove any stagnant energy. Flicking it back behind. And then I close with a clap. Rub the hands together, Mr. Miyagi style. Those of you remember the Karate Kid. Build up the heat. Make the hands nice and hollow. Nice and relaxing. Increasing blood circulation around the eye. And I'm seeing a lovely color, purple and blue. It's like a mini sauna for your eyes, facial sauna. And again, one more time. Friction generates the heat. Cupping and then heat going in. You can open or keep your eyes closed. And then little tapping underneath, over the top. And I'm good to go, ready to drive home. I'm Anthony Monteith, Chi Life Academy, a healer in every household. Thank you.